Hello friends and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can save videos from gallery to files on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also don't forget to write your comments at the end of the video. So friends, let's get started. And first you will need to open the Photos or Gallery on your iPhone. After that, so that you don't have to search for videos in your general gallery for a long time, I recommend you to scroll down a little bit and find the video folder and go to it. Next, select the video that you would like to send to your files, and then click on the share sign in the bottom left corner. Also, scroll down here and find the Save to Files section. So here you can either save your video just to the My iPhone folder, or you can create a separate folder to save your videos to. Now, I'm going to show you how to do that. So, you click on these three dots in the upper right-hand corner. You select New Folder, and then you have to name it something. Then you click Save. Save again. And now we can go to the Files section on the phone, where we can find the folder that we just created. If we open it, we can see the videos that we have saved to the files. You can also save videos in your gallery. If you just click on it and hold it down, you'll get a menu like this underneath the video, from which you can also select the Share function. Also scroll down, Save Files, and then do the same thing from there. You can also save multiple videos to files at once. To do this, in the top right corner, click Select. Next, select multiple videos. Then click Share. Next, select Save Files. Select your folder, let's say, or save to your iPhone. After which click Save. And if you go to your folder in your files, you will see that several videos have been saved at once. Friends, this is the simple way you can easily save your videos and files on your iPhone. I really hope this video was useful and helped you. Please friends, put your likes, write your comments. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.